Sunday be like we're all home, always home. We're always home, but today my daughter Jewel parcel has arrived. I think she ordered it from TikTok. She got this one. Is this the binder you're telling me? How much is this? Magkano to? Ha? Jewel, magkano? And she's doing photography with her parcel. Mahilig siya sa photography, guys. Kaya, nag-request siya ng iPhone ko, no? Kaya iPhone yung kanyang camera, yung cellphone. And, look at what she's doing. I'm gonna show you what she's doing. She's taking a photo of her parcel. Like that. Your phone is still charging. Masisira yung charger. There she is. This is how she did it. And she's doing photography ko now. She owns that tripod. I'm just gonna show you. Nagka-idea lang ako na may video nung kinuha niya yung nung nag-camera siya. Kasi ko i-video ko na rin. Sayang. Di ba, Maika? Kagigising lang niya. Nagising siya sa sigaw ng delivery boy. Nakala niya yung order na niya yung dumating. Pero kung gigisingin mo, hindi yan magigising. Kunyari, tulog. So, ayun. 1, 2, 3. What's that for? Huh? What's that for? What's that 5? What's that 6? She opened the curtain. We're so exposed from the outside. People can see us, you know. They're gonna think what they're doing here. Are they shooting something? Are they an artist chart? Are they a vlogger chart? So, ayun. Check the background if it's good to the eye. There. Magaling lang mag-picture, guys. Way back. But now, I seldom do, photography. Ayan, guys. And si Lucky. Where's Lucky? She's there with a bear. Lucky, what are you doing here? She has this thing. Si Micah, wala pa siyang gamit. And your name is exposed. Acrylic painter. What is an acrylic? Ayan, nagtagal ako ng dala. Wala na pala. Naghinto na pala yung pag-capture. So there you go. Let me show you what she's doing. There. Hello. Hello. This is behind the scene of a content creator. It's a messy place. Sama dito na post. Mag-IG ka din. Jewel, maganda yun sa IG. Oh. Yun pala siya. Dapat test. Color test. Pakita mo sa video. Hello lahat. Hello na yellow. Hello
Wow.
Pakita mo. Hello na yellow. Hello na red. Hello na rock ng isang paper. Doon, kahit high lang. Parang repeat. High. To test the color to show the shades of its color. If it's what do you call that? Sharp? No, it's not sharp. If it's brilliant, if it's shine, or if it's dark. There you go. She's gonna throw it away.